diddly day day. Hi diddly day dum diddly doodle dum diddly doo right diddly day day. Hi diddly day dum diddly doodle dum diddly doo right now. Oh. Dum diddly doodle day dum diddly doo day diddly day day. Hala diddly day dum diddly doo day.
When I passed by.
Oh, that's who they're honking at. Oh, it was the big Genesee truck. It said, get the f*** out of my way. Yeah, you're almost. Whoa.
Buddy.
Should we stop?
No.
Or is he okay? We better pull over. Make sure everything's okay. I don't think it. Just make sure he's okay. Things happen. I mean, sometimes people aren't smart.
There's a school bus. I do have a good one.
Now you're getting back.
Dumbass.
And of course, Texas driver.
No, I was going to say typical dog song.
They dance along the walls, memories of your home. Swim from me with and the echoes in the halls. They dance along the walls, memories of your home. You were the one that I used to love.
Book a hunt while we're there. Exactly. Plus big auctions, big banquets, live entertainment, and a free seminar. Hunting pros. Oh, I see. You can get discounted admission at Sportsman's Warehouse, Schwab Tires, Bass Pro Cabela's, and Utah Toyota dealers. Yeah, hunting opportunities are endless at the Hunting Expo.
What are you doing?
Brilliant.
It's a wise proverb. The family that takes the internet on vacation can find another beach incredibly in season.
Don't get caught in a pinch. Get an eSIM from Airalo. Airalo gives you the data you need to stream, text, or just find a better beach.
Back the internet. Download Airalo today. That's AIRALO. And use code.
You see, it's stress relief made easy. It's simple and it works. Just say dilly-gaff next time you got to deal with dickheads, wankers and jerks. And when you go out, stick a dilly-gaff on your t-shirt. And when some cunt's giving you the shits, just say, mate, read that.